Hey, good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Good. We will be discussing today office productivity tools. We will start with Google Docs tutorial. All right, and what are the things that will be expected by the end of this tutorial? You should be able to know how to use Google Docs and differentiate Microsoft Word and Google Docs. What are the platform, what are they used, the specifics and whatnot. And we will be able to finish one activity, and that's going to be a resume. All right, are you guys excited? Awesome. Okay, so we'll start with the definition of Google Docs. So what is Google Docs? So Google Docs is a free web-based application in which documents can be created, edited, and stored online. All right. This is one feature of Google. It's addition, so it's a program. And the good thing about it is, if you're familiar with Microsoft Word, um, it's actually this same with Microsoft Word. It's just that it's online. The good thing about it is that if, for example, you bought a new laptop or you have a new desktop and you don't have any Microsoft Word installed, um, it's another alternative because you just have to go to, as long as you're connected to the internet or online, you can just go to Google and search for Google Docs. And in there, you can work your documents, you can create resumes, some other documents related um documents. Okay, so files are accessed from any computer with an internet connection and a web browser. Again, as long as you're connected to the internet, there's no need for you to have Microsoft Word. It's okay if you don't have that one, you can access this one. Even your phone, you can access this. So getting started with your documents. So this is how the interface of Google Docs or Google Documents. And as you can see, it's very much similar with the Microsoft Word that we have been using too. So we will be checking uh, the, the what's in here, what are these called and whatnot. So we'll start with Google, this one here, thank you letter. So this displays the title of your document and the view pane of your Google Drive homepage. So it's like the file name. This is if there's if your teacher, if your instructor, or your boss wanted a specific file name, this is where you will put the document title. All right. Next is this there is going to be like an arrow here, and it will direct you to navigate back to your Google Drive. So it will go back to your Google Drive, and you it will show in there some other your say your dashboard. Next is the menus. So various menus for working with your document can be found in the menu toolbar. Click a menu to see available commands and options. So later with this PowerPoint presentation, there are specific uh, instructions on what are the use of what are the things that you see in file, edit, view, insert, so and so. But it would be better if we do it in an activity where you can check it out for yourself. All right. So file, edit, view. These are menus. So this is also um, the good thing about it is that Google Docs is automatically be saved. Anything that you are doing, it automatically be saved on your Google Drive. Like let's say, for example, out of nowhere, your PC went off, your phone went off. You don't have to worry because the moment you go back to Google Docs, it will stay in there. Either the last time, the last things that you are doing on that specific time, it will just go back. It, it will automatically change for you. All right. Next, is the collaboration options allow you to share your documents with others, make comments as you work. So upon submission of your activities, your first resume, you will be clicking this button here, share, and just look for my name, and it will be sent through me. Okay, so it will be easier for us to check if you are able to be submitted. So this is the important thing, how to share your documents. Okay, these are the toolbars. This is where you see how to edit a text, how to enlarge, change the font style, font size, if you want it to be bold, if you want to color it, the alignment, if you want to be center, and whatnot. Okay? And lastly, the ruler. So the ruler is useful for setting margins, indentions, and tab stops. So, and that completes the Google Docs interface. Easy, right? Now, let's go to our next topic. And today, I will go ahead and open Google Docs, and we will start our first activity, and that's going to be creating a resume using Google Docs. So what we will be doing is just type in there Google Docs. Okay, type in there Google Docs, press enter, and the first option, click on it, and then after that, as you can see, my list documents is blank, and I have been having several documents here. We have templates, we have already made resume. You can click this one so that you can just edit the information that's in here. But then again, uh, yeah, it's easy, right? You can just edit here, informations in here and whatnot, and you already have a template, or you already have a new resume. However, the thing that we will be doing right now is we will be creating a fresh one so that we will be familiar with, as you can see, it already say, I'm just gonna remove this one. So we will create a new one so that you'll get familiarized with the platform. So click blank, and when you click blank, it will show you to a familiar face or familiar platform, and we will start with our resume. So again, put in here resume as your file name or document title, and let's start with our resume. So I will put in here my name, uh, where where I'm from, uh, my email address, and my number. So I want this to be center, so I'll click this one here, and I want to put an underline. Okay, next is I want it to be alignment here, put in there education. So the school you are in, senior high school. Your school, the address, and school year that you graduated. Let's say you graduated. Anyway, this is just rough stuff. Um, work experience. You have work experience. Put it in there. Start with your job, OGT, uh, encoder, company, say Centrex, and the address, practice move, and their number. I mean, the duration month you've been with the company, say 2018 2019. Want it to be specific, you may do. So May 2018 to May 2019. Okay, and then personal information. I don't know you guys, but you can put in there several things like your gender, your hair color, uh, skin color. So anything you want to share, name your father, mother, whatnot, put in there everything. And then lastly, character reference. Okay, so if you know someone professional, you can put it here. Let's say if you don't have one, just put it there as, put my name there as your character reference. So I am an instructor and I work in SLC College of Mandalay. My number is 231234567. So the importance of character reference is that and the company will be calling you for reference if what kind of a person you are, what kind of attitude you have. So the person that's in your character reference will be the one they will be calling. All right. So basically, this is just a simple resume. However, I want you to utilize the toolbar here. I know you can italicize this one or have it bold, perhaps. Okay. So when you submit this one, make sure it's already nice and it's already um, good looking. If you don't have any idea on what kind of resume or what kind of design you will be using, you can always Google it. There's lots of resumes in the internet you can use. Okay, there. Please make use of the internet. And also, I wanted to I want you guys to enter some pictures here. So you can click this one, upload from computer, look for pictures. Let's say this one. You can, okay. Uh, or inline with text. Okay. So if you want it like this, you can follow mine. So if you want it like that, so that's okay with me. So there. So this is the option how to insert a picture in your Google Docs. So just basically it. I'm excited to check your outputs, and please, if you're done, click share and look for my name, and it will be sent through my email. All right. So if you don't have any question, that would be it for this topic. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.